Watch the ocean kiss the moon. Run away with me.
We do love each other.
Good things don't always come easily. It makes me so happy to see you find someone you love. And not only that, but to find someone who balances you out. Someone who takes your personality, your ambition, your headstrong nature, and your incredible focus to make the life that you want. Ever since I've gotten to know you, Pooja, you have been someone who has blown my mind in your ability to wrangle Tino down. To take everything that he is, support it, elevate it, and at the same time, tame it down a little bit. I feel very grateful that you're in his life. And today makes me really happy to know that you guys have found each other.
Arpan, you're one lucky guy to have someone that will always give you more than 100%. We couldn't have wished for a better traveling partner for Purvi as you guys start all your milestones together. Arps, you definitely add some more flavor to the group. As Durvin once said, you are the chutney to our samosas. Welcome to the family, Arpan.
Pooja, you're a blessing in our life. Thank you so much for tolerating him and being in our lives and taking care of him like he deserves. And Dino, please take care of Pooja because she deserves everything in the world. And be happy, stay blessed, be honest with each other, be truthful with each other, and be there for each other. Never let go of each other's hands. I love you.
Purvi, you're an awesome sister. We had great times together, going to all those concerts, traveling. I'm really glad you met someone that you want to spend the rest of your life with. Awesome guy. So that being said, yes, thanks everyone for coming and congratulations, beautiful couple.